Welcome to my cloud slime tutorial. This cloud slime is made with my kit from Maui Slime Co. It's the cloud slime making kit. What you're going to do is you're going to first empty your glue bottle in the container, just like I've done already. You're going to make your activator as well, so that is going to be done. I've already made my activator, so I'm starting to activate my slime, but you're going to make the activator yourself. So what you want to do is just follow the instructions on the packet, and as well as the instructions, you're going to mix the packet of borax with 1 cup of warm water in your container and shake it up till it dissolves. You want to add your activator by teaspoonfuls to your glue and start stirring. Keep stirring until it's coming together. It's going to take a little bit of time. Just be patient, keep stirring, keep adding a little bit at a time. You don't want to add too much at a time because it will be harder to mix it together. Just do a teaspoon or 2 at a time and keep mixing and stirring, mixing and stirring. You're going to want your slime to be overactivated, so don't worry about adding too much. It's going to be a little bit stiff and breaky at the end, so just keep adding it. Once it starts pulling together on the edges, you can use your hands. I have gloves on, but you don't have to wear gloves. Just use your hands and mix in more activator. Keep doing this process till it becomes breaky and stiff. Still a little stretchy, but so right now it's a little bit too stretchy. I'm going to need to add more activator. But once you pull and stretch, you'll see if you need to add more. If it's really stretchy like this, it means you need to add more activator. Now you can see it's getting more stiff. This is what you want. You want to keep doing this. See, oh, it's starting to break apart, so that's good. But you're going to add a little bit more still because you want it to be pretty pretty stiff. The reason is when you add the instant snow powder, it's going to melt the slime and loosen it up. So you don't want, for the next step, you're going to need to measure out in your 8 teaspoons so you have of water. Over-activate it. You can use the teaspoon that comes with your kit. Add the instant snow to measure out 8 teaspoonfuls. Now I've already pre-measured the 8 teaspoons of water in my container. So you're going to pour that water. Oh, sorry. First you're going to pour your instant snow labeled number 1 into your container, one of your empty containers. Then you will pour your 8 teaspoons of water on top of that snow, and it's going to come to life and become activated snow, and it'll puff up a lot. So just kind of mix around the water. So now you can see it's a nice stiff ball that breaks apart when you pull on it. This is what you want. So now we are good. We can move on to the next step. You can mix it with your finger or your spoon. It'll be nice and fluffy. What you want to do now is take the slime that you made, and you're going to add all of the snow that you just activated into the slime. Now after I let it sit for a bit, I noticed that it needed more activator, so I'm just adding more activator now. If this is the case for you, go ahead, just add more activator before adding the snow powder. If you've already added the snow powder, you can add activator after as well. Just mix it in till you get that nice stiff ball that breaks. Now I'm just going to put my slime inside of the container with the activated instant snow and just push it around and mix it all together. It's going to take a little bit of time, but just go ahead and do that and mix it all in. It looks like I need to add more activator now because that snow really did loosen up my slime. So go ahead, if your slime is feeling the same way, just add more activator so it stiffens up. At this point, you want to keep activating your slime until it becomes more stiff again. Now you're going to want to add your number 2 packet to your slime. You're going to just empty it all on the top of your slime, and then you're going to mix it in. Don't add water this time, just add it dry right into your slime. Keep mixing your slime, stretching and mixing. Keep doing this over and over. You're being very patient. Cloud slime takes a lot of patience. Now you're going to want to let it sit for about 5 minutes. So give it some more mixing, and next you're going to add your last packet of instant snow powder the same way that you added the one before. So this one's going to be labeled number 3. It's just the dry instant snow powder that you're going to add in. So do the same process by adding it and mixing it in. You're going to want to let this one sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it sits, the more it can absorb, and it seems to be better for the drizzles in the end. Just keep mixing it all in nicely, and then you can put it in your container to let it sit. Now you have your end result, cloud slime. Keep mixing it up, and you're going to watch it drizzle. You got to fluff it up though to make it nice and drizzly, so make sure you remember to do that. Thank you for watching my cloud slime tutorial video, and I hope you love your cloud slime kit. Aloha!